Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, this is a different video for me. I am doing a no makeup routine, if that makes sense. I am trying Fenty's Beauty makeup line and I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm in a new set. As you can see, this is my friend's place, Nico. He's gonna be tagged. He better jump in this video. He's actually looking at me right now. But yes, I'm in his beautiful home on his set. And I am super nervous, but I'm gonna knock this video out for y'all. So if you wanna see my no makeup look, stay tuned and watch this video. Also, as my shirt says, it says like and subscribe. That's what I need you guys to do. Like, subscribe, follow, and share this video. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, I already prepped and cleaned my skin off camera, but I'm gonna use this Niacinamide serum from Good Molecules, which is so good. I love their eye patches as well. I just went ahead and prepped my face just so that way I had an even, smooth texture. Next up, I'm going to use Tatcha's water cream, which I really like. I love their dewy face mist as well, but this just gave me that extra moisture and just smooth surface that I needed to go ahead and do before I put on the makeup, which was so freaking funny. This is my first time ever doing my own makeup. Yes, makeup period, but I went ahead and grabbed the Fenty Beauty in Coca. This is the matchstick. This was all so exciting because, again, I never done it before and I didn't think I ever would. But just mix some of the Tatcha water cream on my hand and I put the matchstick on there and I mixed that together so that way I created a nice, smooth foundation. And I grabbed my brush and went at it. So guys, you will see my friend Nico's hand jump in and out because he is a pro makeup artist. He's the one who helped me with this video and inspired me to do it. So I used the brush at first and then I used the stick again, as you can see. I'm not a professional. I was just doing what was comfortable for me. Obviously, Nico told me that I should probably get a beauty blender. I call it a booty blender, but a beauty blender. I heard somebody, I think it was Patrick Starr, say booty blender, so I just like calling it that. And I went in the inside of the corners with my eye with it. It was fun. It was cool. I see people use it all the time. As you can see, again, right here, I'm putting more makeup on just because one side had more, one side didn't. I was warming it up on the back of my hand. But this is just a fast clip of it because I was literally there for hours trying to match it. So we can get on to the next product, which is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in 420. I like this. I like this a lot. I can see myself using this again simply because sometimes the corner of my eyes are a little darker and I'm really nervous to put like serums or toners or anything in there. So I could use that again. Here we have the... What is that shit? That is... I think that's bronzer. So he was showing me how to do it. I was so nervous to put the bronzer on. I just didn't want to mess it up and look orange. And he pretty much told me what to do. And I just went at it with myself. You can see I'm looking at him like, am I doing this right? Actually, I wasn't. I was scraping it across my face. He was just getting so mad at me and telling me, do it, just do it. And I was just like, I'm nervous. I don't want to mess up my makeup. I literally get what girls mean now. Well, not girls, because that's not fair to say. Anyone means now when they say they want to mess up their makeup, because I definitely didn't want to do it and have to reapply. So this was fun. I actually grabbed a brush to kind of contour and snatch my nose. I ended up looking like Rudolph. As you guys can see, it's still so crazy looking. I'm zooming in because I didn't know I could use my right hand for both. I was like, oh, just move your hand on the other side. Nico was like, yeah, just put it over here. And I'm like, That little cool brush thing was really cool. I don't know what it was. I think you just dip off the fallout for the brush or wipe it on there to get it clean. I'm not putting actually anything on my eyebrows. I'm just brushing them up because, I don't know, I like the way they look brushed up. I always brush my eyebrows up. So as you guys can see here, Nico helped me. I'm going to go ahead and grab some highlighter. I forgot which one I used, but it was definitely interesting because I thought I was messing up because I had a straight line across my face that looked like glitter. And I was like, what did I do? What did I do? So I went in and I blended it out. And I didn't think it looked so bad. I actually felt really pretty, really confident, really strong. I definitely see why there's a connection with makeup. Don't feel like I need it every day. I don't think I will wear it every day. Definitely not, because it's expensive and it's a lot of work. Next thing you know, I use the Baby What It Do. I love this face mist. I had the face mist before I had any of the products, and I'm not light-handed with it. I also had the lip gloss beforehand. The lip gloss that I'm using, I think, is the Glass Bomb. Pretty sure it's shade Fussy. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, right here, I was really feeling myself because the makeup was on. It honestly looks like good skincare to me. I won't lie. I'm not saying it just because it's me. It just doesn't look like I had much on. Looks like just oily or maybe just really, really good moisturized skin. I try to do some zoom ins for you guys so you can see the real effect of it. But I can definitely tell there's a glow, but I don't know. You be the judge. Alright guys, I am finished with this full Fenty look. If you love it, I know you love it because it's me, duh, and I beat my face down, period. But if you like this look, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, drop in the comments what Fenty products you guys use and love. And as always, guys, until next time, I'm out. Oh! Side note, shout out to Nico for letting me use his space to film. He also instructed me. He didn't really do much. How do I do? What do you think?
I definitely love the complexion. The complexion is very much great. I love the little beam of highlight on the cheek. Very subtle. It doesn't give that ultra Instagram highlight that these girls be doing.
Do I look like... I don't think I look.
You don't look made up.
Yeah, okay.
You don't look made up. You look like it's just like good skin.
That's what
Which you already have good skin. So we just, you know, this evens you out. We amplified it. Even you out in certain areas. Smooth out. You know, butter skin.
Definitely. Whatever. This Fenty Beauty 420. This is concealer. I may have to get some of this because I do have darker spots inside of my eyes, and I don't put product there just because I'm so nervous because it's so close to the corner of my eye. So I probably would use this.
But
so thank you.
I think you did really good. From a scale of 1 to 10, I give you a 10.
Well, as you guys heard, Nico gave me a 10, so your bitch is a baddie. I mean, we've been baddies, but you know, we... Alright, I'm gonna just... Yeah, this is the bloopers anyway. Woo! I'm a Fenty baddie now. Turn this off.